Hello, I'm Chef Sky from Infuzed Cookin. Welcome to my Colorado kitchen. Today we're going to talk about nuts.com, unboxing, and product review. Over 90 years ago, Grandpa Poppy Soul started a business in an open-air market on Mulberry Street called the Newark Nut Company. In this video, you will find out why nuts.com is more than just nuts. This savory selection of nuts and more is used in my Colorado kitchen. Why nuts.com is more than just nuts. 3 generations later, nuts.com, an online store, a family business, is still bringing smiles to customers' faces. Nuts.com is a savory selection of more than 2,000 items delivered right to your doorstep. The slogan, "We're more than just nuts," continues to ring true. Roasted nuts are roasted on the same day they are shipped. Deliciously fresh, roasted the old-fashioned way. One taste and you'll know the difference. Thank you for watching Infused Cookin, and happy infusing.